Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are around the world. Welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the day trader. I go live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bells. Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome all. Everything you see here is real, genuine. I'm not a financial advisor, but everything here is my own money, and everybody in the live chat are real traders, real friends, people that follow us every day, members, sharing their honest trades. We have a lot of engagement. In fact, we are an incredibly engaging platform. Everybody watches every day. Everybody shares. Everybody gets involved. We have sponsors to the channel. We have members, all kinds of things. We have cash giveaways. We have all kinds of great stuff that happens on this show. So if it's your very first time, let's get straight over into the trades. Subscribe and ring the bell, and of course, thumbs up the video. It's very, very important to thumbs up the video. Help us grow. We're quite a new channel here on YouTube. We're also multi-streaming to multi-platforms at the same time, but without a shadow of a doubt, the home of our show is here on YouTube. All right, I'm glad Duchak is here in the chat. How are you, Duchak? Coming straight into the live chat, I've got a quick question to ask you. Thank you ever so much for being here. All right, today is the very first day of our sponsor. We have a sponsor now to the show, or anyone can sponsor the show on any day as well. And we've got some new members as well. Bill, I've some good news for you, Bill. When you upgraded your silver, because you cancelled and became a member, you became a member, if that's the right word. It didn't start you all over from the beginning. It continues, so that's great news. So you've kept your time that you've been a member, which is absolutely great. All right, fantastic. Here is Bill. All right, very exciting day today. We've got lots and lots of stuff going on now. Lots of things I want to do for you as my members. As you know, I promote all my members on social media. It's one of the perks you get. Great stuff. All right, Leah, good morning, Leah. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Bill, lovely to have you here, and absolutely wonderful stuff indeed. All right. Okay, now Bill is a silver member, and you may. Oh, and good morning, Mark. Good morning, Mark. So we're going to be looking at Bill's YouTube channel in a minute. I'll just show you right now that on my homepage, there you are, Bill. You are there, right there. Look, these are my featured members. See that, Bill? There you go. Let me just scroll in because it's just behind. There you are. There you are. Look, just behind me there. Look. There you go, Bill. You're on the homepage of my YouTube channel now because you are a silver member. All right, wonderful stuff, and we'll drop your links into the chat very, very shortly, okay? We've also got a sponsor now, and anyone can sponsor the channel. You have to be a member, and then you can also have a commercial once in each show. Only once in each show, and I'll explain to you how that works. All right, look at the markets this morning. Everything is down. Remember yesterday I said we're going to have bounce back, and then it's all going to sell off again. We're going to have this now for months. I would have said at least to March. So it's a day trader's dream right now, an opportunity to make lots of money if you're able to. But remember, don't get caught out. Keep your long-term investments separate to your day trading. That's what I would be doing. So you've got your long-term, yep, I want to have money in my portfolio on Tesla, whatever, but I want to sell some and keep it trimmed off the top. You don't want, one stock becoming 100% of your portfolio. Did you say I sent you some Reddit yesterday? If so, it wasn't me. Okay, Bill. Now, yeah. I guess with success comes all kinds of nonsense, okay? And yes, I am getting people message me, copy my channel, spoof me, all kinds of stuff. And it's difficult to now work out and it's who your real members are, and so on and so forth. Now, obviously, I'm assuming that real members, real people are obviously going to be members, So do check right now. I see you are the Duchak I've come to know and love, and you, of course, are a member. So I'm assuming that you are the real Duchak, of course. Did you send me an email last night? Let me just ask you. Did you send me an email last night? And just tell me the first four digits or numbers of your email, please, if you wouldn't mind. I know this is all cloak and dagger, but we're having to work out every day how we deal with things. We're a new channel, we're growing. Dave Mottram, good morning to you, sir. And yeah, it looks like I'll just wait for your reply and then I can answer you. All right. So there we go. Let's have a look. There we go. Okay. So I now know that email is from you. So thank you very much. You sent me an email last night, and that is absolutely correct. That is obviously who you are, right? So basically, what happened then? What happened is whoever it is who the army of people that are spoofing me, duplicating my YouTube channels, TikTok channels, whatever. There was a big media blurb all over Reddit yesterday. People copying stuff, saying stuff, God knows what else. And they actually contacted me and said they were you. And so obviously I replied to them, and of course I mentioned it in the show, and then you said that wasn't me. And of course what they did was they watched the show, they saw your name in the chat and just picked you at random, I guess, and pretended to be you. So there we go. This sort of stuff is now happening. I guess it's a mark of success. I won't be responding anymore to that stuff. So the only way I can keep the family feeling and the family as it is to know who is to really address and my members, because I would be very surprised if people are prepared to pay as a member to spoof your channel and try to upset the apple cart. So I'm going to assume that my members are the real deal, the real people, and respond to you. So I apologize if you're... Well, I've always said that anyway. If you want responses from everything, you need to be a member. And as a silver member, of course, that's how you get those... social media followings and contacts and so on. But yeah, I guess that's what's happening now. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. I will only post live unless I state in the... I'll only post live unless I state in the chat. What do you mean, only post live unless I state in the chat? What do you mean? I don't understand what you mean. What's Dave Mottram saying? Yeah, so watch your back, Mark. What's going on, Mark? It said about a stalker. Yeah, we've got. There are people who are actually duplicating my TikTok channel. But remember, you know which is the real one, because I go live on it. I correspond to you. I talk to you. I answer your questions. Well, the spoofs aren't going to do that, and the quality isn't the same either. All right, we've just gone live on the. Let me have a look on the past hour. Let me have a look. Just gone green. Sorry. Here's me and Dave just picking on each other. I won't send emails unless I say I will in the live chat. Okay, that's brilliant. It's just really always making sure that the members obviously get the attention, and I'm talking to members, and that's the purpose. Another help with that, yeah. But yeah, so obviously, yeah, I replied to someone's text who obviously wasn't you. But anyway, I've decided I don't want to address it anymore, because me and Leah talked about it last night, and we don't want to engage in those sort of people. So my members, the family, it's all about you. The people that start doing all the other stuff, then we'll just ignore that. We're not going to give them any time. I mean, on one hand, it's great they follow me and watch the videos, but they could ruin the experience in the live chat. They could. And I spend too much time answering questions to people that are just trying to, use it against me or whatever it might be. Anyway, gotta love the banter. It's your show. All right. Okay, what's going on this morning? So let's get straight into it. We've got our our members here in the chat. We've got we've got a bit of an audience now building up, so let's welcome Bill. Bill wanted to get his channel promoted, and as a silver member you make it on the homepage of my YouTube channel. So let's show you. It's there, right there. Look, there's Bill. Now let's get Bill to 50 subscribers. Now as a silver member, I click on his YouTube channel. And I drop the chat. Everyone gets the same as a silver member. Here you go. Let me drop it in the live chat. Silver or gold. There you go. There you go. There is Bill's. Let's come back to Bill in a couple of minutes, and let's get Bill to 50 subscribers live on the show in the next. Do you know what? I'm going to give a 1 minute timer because we want to get into the trades in a minute. 1 minute. Let's get Bill to 50 subscribers. Everybody, we need 3. Just 3 of you to do it. There it is in the live chat. He's a silver member. Let's get him to 50 subscribers. Let's come back to Bill in just 1 minute from now and see if we've done it. All right, guys, I reckon we could do it. All right, if you've just tuned in today, I'm subscribed already. Mark Corn's already done it. Martin, you always have my number in case it happens with my name. Yeah, indeed. But understand, guys, we're gaining a follower every 3 minutes. So you can imagine at some point it's already getting difficult. That's why we're having to work out new ideas. Subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. Give us a thumbs up. And I'm going to come back to Bill in 15 seconds. We want to be at 50 subscribers. All right. We're just turning green on the hour. Let's have a look. As you can see, just green there on the hour. Looking good. Good morning, Patty. Lovely to have you here. Wonderful stuff. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. All right, there we go. We're now in the... let me change that. There we go. We're now in the... there we go. Let's come back to the trading screen and let me see. Did I get Bill to 50 subscribers? 47. Let's refresh it. 47. Let's refresh it. 48. See, most of the guys have already done it, Bill, here today. So there we go. We'll leave that up. We'll leave that there, and hopefully we can get Bill to 50 during the live show. All right, he's a silver member now, and he upgraded. And the good news, by the way, I'm glad Dave Mottram is here, because Dave decided at the moment he's not in the position to be a member, and I just found out last night Bill cancelled. So he finished his membership and he went to silver a few days later. And because he did it within 30 days, it was called a rejoin, and he continued where he was. He didn't go back. So Dave, because you said at some point you might be a member again, just letting you know, that's good. If you rejoin, it keeps the time you've been a member. I guess it might be within 30 days. I don't know that. But he didn't start again, which is great because your benefits increase and your history increases without starting again. Does that make sense? Okay, I just thought I'd share that with you. All right, great stuff. Right, as we said this morning, the markets are down again, and I expect them to rise again today. I think we're going to get these up and down days for the next couple of months. Look at that. See, on the past hour, we're up 0.03. We got some great news today. I'm going to bring you some breaking news. I'll show you. We've got some news on Bitcoin. Bitcoin bounces off 6 months low as buyers step in. We've got a lot of buyers coming in. Jim Cramer, I'm not his greatest fan, says it's too late to sell Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we'll have a look at why he said that. And the tech crash or bargain season, it's an open question, and we'll talk about that as well. But Bitcoin most certainly is up today 1%. We're at 36,000 now, so we really have picked up a lot. Right, let me bring in our members today. We've got bronze, silver, gold, and sponsor level now. And let's start off with our bronze members. There we go. All right. Okay. Yeah, all okay today, Patty. Lovely to have everybody here. Right, we're up on the hour, looking good. Right, so Tesla is down at the moment, so it is open season now to get bargains. Good morning, Muzanella. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We've got Muzanella over here in the house, one of our gold members. There you go. There's all our bronze members. We've got the 24-hour feed starting today. Reboot. And it will be running all the time because we now have a sponsor. We only have one sponsor right now, so he will own the banner space. Plus, he has the opportunity for $10 in Super Chat for me to run a commercial during the live shows, okay? And I will show you one today. I'll do it if he comes in, if Alex Hunt comes in. I will run one for him for free as a show you as the first time. Right, this is looking good. Let's go over to the situation here. Look, we're up on the hour now. We're starting to rise again. I'm expecting to see all these shares today. There's John Brunette today from Canada, next to Murray McKines. There we go. Let's go over to our silver members now. We've got an extra level now. Hey, Moo. Good morning, Moo. And we're just edging back, just up now slightly. It's looking good. Let me go back into that again. Looking great. Yeah, so the new sponsor level, for $99, your banner will run 24/7. It starts today and it'll be running all the time. For the live chat, only members can chat, so we keep out all the nonsense, and that's all good. And as a sponsor member, whenever you want a live commercial for me to actually do a commercial for your product, and as I'm going to show you, I'm going to do one today. You have to be a sponsor member, and then you come in the live chat whenever you want it. You can only have it once per show. You drop $10 in the super chat, and I will run a commercial, a 30 to 40 second commercial of your product, and that will be the sponsor of the show that day. All right. And there we go. We'll only have, well, I haven't decided yet whether we'll only have one. Only one sponsor can do one commercial a day. I don't know if we can have maybe one or two a day. I don't know. Anyway, there's Bill, silver member now from Canada. Here are our gold members, and here we go. Virgin Galactic is just, it's at 8.32. It's down 3% this morning, so I reckon all these are going to pop back up again. I would imagine we'd have a day like yesterday. Remember, each time we survive these wars, these battles of stocks dropping, then our stocks become stronger because the companies are growing, the companies are developing, and it's just a day trader's dream right now as long as you're not using borrowed money. Okay, there are our gold members. Right now, look, here for the very first time, drum roll please. Our sponsor level, Alex Hunt. He hasn't yet given me his details of his business. So he just became a member. He just became a sponsor member yesterday. And so he pays $99 a month. And for that privilege, he will get 24 hours streaming of his banner and a link in the description. And he can pop in the live chat as a member, of course. And that starts today. But also as a sponsor member, he can come into any live show and drop $10 in the super chat, and I will run him a commercial as and when, but only once per show. Right, Rolls-Royce, we're now down 0.65. Boeing is down 0.181. We've got 10 minutes to go before the pre-market begins. Google is down down 2%. I reckon we're going to have the same day as we had yesterday. We're going to have stocks down. We're going to make some money. So we've got 10 minutes to go. Let's have a quick look. Tech crash or bargain season? It's an open question. With the NASDAQ Composite Index entry into correction territory on Wednesday and its subsequent sell-off, comparisons will once again be made on the mother of all tech routes, the 2000 dot-com collapse. Oh, yeah. From March 10th, 2000, the Nasdaq began retreating from an intraday high of 5132 to a low of 2288. The Nasdaq didn't truly bottom until September 30th, 2002, with a close of 1176. Could things be as bad again? We are again coming out of a bubble with stocks such as Snowflake seeming vulnerable to a deep correction. The software vendor trades at an unlofty 77 times projected revenue, even after falling 22% this year. The collapse of Netflix on Friday, moreover, has eerie similarities to the go-go days of the dot-com era. Netflix is questionably a bubble stock popped up by a huge borrowing, $16 billion in the last decade, with no positive cash flow in 8 of the past 10 years. I think we are getting the crash right now, and I think it's going to bounce back again. And if you step back at it and look at it over the history of the stock market, it's a thing that happens from time to time. We're not really concerned about it. It's what happens. All right, we've got just under 9 minutes to go. On the hour, we are up, which is looking good. Remember, I've always said, don't try and time the market. You'll never beat the market. Just invest in what you believe in. Feel comfortable. Don't borrow money. You'll be fine. All right. Patricia, Alicia, love to have you here. Did KSS dip or hold yesterday? Dave, it did. KSS dropped all the way back down again. Look at that. And then popped back up instantly. So we were absolutely right. 70% said it would drop, and it went all the way down to its beginning and then popped back up again. Look at that in a moment. So you could have really made some money there if you'd done that. Like I said, sold and set to buy, and it pumped back up again and then sold again. I mean, seriously, talk about predicting the market perfectly. I mean, we couldn't have predicted it better, could we? I smashed it as always. Wonderful stuff indeed. All right. Now then, let's see if we can get to 20 likes by the time we open the market. Now, I normally set that for the opening bell. Can we get to 20 likes before the market, pre-market? Shall we try it? Shall we try it? Let's go for it. We've got 15 right now. It's going to be tight because we've only got 15 watching. But let's see if we can. Subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a like. And let's see if we can get to 20 likes by the time we get to the pre-market. So there we go. That does not count. What do you mean that does not count? It counts in my book. We said, would it drop? Yes, it did. Anyway, it actually is down. Whichever way you look at it, it dropped. It dropped. Look, down 1.35. Even if you don't count that drop, it did go down. The point is, it didn't go up. It actually went down. Not much, but it actually went down. And if you include that, then it definitely went down. So either way, it went down. It went down 1.11 after hours. It also went down in like that. So it definitely went down. Did it go down? Of course it went down. You can judge it however you want after that. Smash the bloody like button. Where did this come from? Where did this come from? Oh, God. Welcome all our members. Thank you very much indeed. And awesome stuff. Let me bring in the... whoops-a-daisy. I'm pressing all the wrong buttons here. There we go. Let's bring it back up. Let's bring it back up. Let's start with the main ticker. There we go. I was pressing all the wrong buttons for a minute. All right. So we've got just... okay. We're going to set ourselves a target. We're going to go 20 likes before the pre-market. That would be nuts. Never done that before. Right, you ready? So we've got 5 minutes before the pre-market. So I'm going to bring up a timer and let's see if we can do it. Your polls are wishy-washy then. What do you mean my polls are wishy-washy? We said, we ran a poll and said 70% said it would go down, right? Well, it did go down. It went down a little bit and it also crashed back down. So what part of not going down didn't it do? So anyway, 5 minutes. There we go. 5 minutes. We need to get to 20 likes. And that also is the pre-market. Let's set a new target today. And of course, it's Tuesday today. We've got the cash giveaway. A promise is a promise on Friday. Very excited about it. And for all members. And I'm very much looking forward to the day I can give away $1,000 when we have a big enough channel. But right now, it's a much smaller prize. But nevertheless, it's there for you. So remember, I've built the member levels, the cost of the levels. So if you work out what you get and how you can monetize with your channels and how you can get all the benefits and stuff. It actually pays for itself. That is the idea. This is a financial channel. It's here to support, bring a community together, and also to make financial sense. All right. I want especially my sponsor, I want him to make a profit out of his investment, he or she, whoever sponsors my channel. Right now it's Alex Hunt. And I want him to make money from his investment. That's the idea. All right, we are now up. Let's have a look. Let's go. We are up now on the hour by quite a bit. And we've got 3 minutes to go. We got 4 likes to go. For 20 likes before the pre-market. Absolutely awesome. That'll be an all-time record. Hey, I can't wait till Alex Hunt comes in because I want to surprise him. Something that's not included as a sponsor. But I'm going to give it to him anyway as a gift, being the first one. So I can't wait for him to come in. So we're very, very excited. Let's see if he comes in today. Right, 17 likes now, 3 minutes. Ooh, will we do it? Smash the like button. We've got 3 minutes to go. We're trying to get to 20. We've never done 20 before the pre-market. The crash was a glitch in Robinhood, as I just checked. 2 other sources that didn't. Oh, okay. Fair enough, Dave. Fair enough. Fair enough then. So, all right. Fair enough. It didn't crash like that. All right. But even despite that, it's still down 1.43. So obviously that's a glitch. That's not real. Fair enough. But it still was down 1.43. Anyway, let's not labor on the point. Whatever. Right. We're starting to pick up now. On the day, we are just down 1%. I think this is going to be a repeat of yesterday. I just liked it with 2 accounts. There we go. We've never done 20 likes before the pre-market. Absolutely great. Absolutely wonderful stuff. I'm talking to Restream today. They are talking to me. Restream is the software I use, which I recommend everyone use to multi-stream. They are wanting to do something with me very special today. I'm having actually a Zoom call with them straight after the meeting. I've got people now asking to be sponsors and members, and it's getting very exciting. The channel is really starting to grow, and there we go. Well done, Musa. 19 likes now. 1 minute, 20 seconds to go. 20 likes before the bell goes. All right, let's see if we can do it. And this will also be the pre-market. Opens in 1 minute, 10 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get the music. Let's get ready to rumble. It's going to be a day, I predict, just like yesterday. We're going to have a little drop down and we're going to rise up again. And this is going to go on for a couple of months, I reckon. But if your stocks are good, you'll be fine. Okay, here we go. Oh, we did it. There, we did it. We did it. Oh, Tahida, 20. We got a guest of the family here today. The pre-market opens in 1 minute. 22. Look at that all-time record. Let's welcome our new guest of the family. He's not a sponsor. He's not a member, but he is a guest of the family right now. Consider subscribing, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you ever so much. Where are you from, Tahida? Right, 23 seconds before the bell goes. Let's see where we go. This is great. We're going to get another day like yesterday. I'm sure we'll drop down, but we'll rise up again. If your stocks are good, got all my likes in. Absolutely awesome. 23 before the bell goes. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and off we go. All right, the pre-market is open. We are off and running. Okay, here we go. Let's clear the board. And let's have a look at the pre-market. Let's see what's happening. So, we're actually up today, 0.17, $38,000 again. There you go. Coles open 1.35. That's for the benefit. That's for the benefit of Dave Mottram, who's determined to have an argument about it. Tesla is down 2.58, but above 900 now. Rivian is down at 4% today. SPCE is down 3%. We're going to get another day like yesterday. I'm not adding any more money. I've got a certain amount of cash on the side, which is going to stay there. That's what pays the bills. Let's bring all the comments in. Got all my likes in. Is that New Jersey? Tahida? Are you from New Jersey? Duchak is here. Welcome to Tahida and New Jersey. Wonderful stuff. All right. Now you've done that. I don't know if you subscribed and rung the bell, because if you subscribe during the show, this is what normally happens if you do. There we go. And if you become a member, this is what happens. You can sponsor the channel. We've got 24-hour stream, loads of benefits and stuff like that. Should we have a quick look and see if the subscription went up? Shall we have a look? Let's go over to here, and you'll see it. It will go round. You ready? Here it comes. Here it comes now. 2013. No, right. So it hasn't changed yet. We haven't convinced him to be a subscriber yet. He's weighing it up. He's thinking about it. He's thinking, what's this channel all about? So let me just introduce myself to Tahida. You're all putting your places and countries. All the members will do that. They'll put their places and countries in. Oh, it's gone up. He decided to do it. There we go. 2014. He subscribed and hopefully rang the bell, so he'll be notified about the breaking news. Let me very quickly then just introduce myself to our friend here. My name is Martyn Lucas, and everything you see here is real. I'm not a financial advisor. No, 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 no. I'm actually the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio where I go live every day. Not every day, but most days, and do live concerts, music for people, weddings, birthdays, you name it, whatever, and create online video content as well. And by the daytime, I like to trade and with my life savings. And people have followed my journey all the way through, started 6 months ago, and we go live every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. And we are a really, really engaging channel where people come together, support each other, and we learn from each other, and so on and so forth. All right, so there you go. That's a bit about me. And everyone's now put in their countries and cities. And I'd like to ask Tahida, where did you find out about the channel? A lot of people come over from TikTok, or some people just see us on YouTube the normal way. Get discovered through the algorithm as it's supposed to be. There we go. All right, let's bring in our bronze members again. There we go. Let's bring them in. So Robinhood is down 3.81 now. I'm not trading at the moment. I'm expecting things could go lower. I've invested enough in my shares. I'm not selling anything. I'm committed to keeping all my stocks. You could reposition, do that, but you see how quickly it pops up. So you have to be very, very careful. Tahida's getting a lovely welcome. Tahida's getting a lovely welcome in the live chat. Absolutely great. If you'd like to become a member, let me give you the invitation here, and you can become a member to our channel. Let's look at the charts this morning. Let's go over to the charts and let's have a quick scan of that. Please talk about Shiba Inu, Cirrus TechView. Well, Cirrus, we have like a protocol here on the Day Trader. We're the most supportive, engaging channel you'll ever wish to meet. So I will certainly share with you my actual Shiba trades. But for me to do that, first of all, please introduce yourself. Say where you're from, what country you're from, how you found us, and give us a thumbs up. And then I will certainly share with you my Shiba position and discuss it with you. So just let us know where you're from and say hello, drop a like, and then I will most certainly share with you my Shiba position. It'll actually be on COINBASE. Let me bring in the silver members right now. There we go. Here's the silver members now. Right, so we're up now on the hour. Let me go over, and then we'll all share with you, Cirrus. But just start off by introducing yourself. That's the best way. Right, here we go. So here's the hour position. Let's look at the overall portfolio. There you go. Starting to pick up now. Tesla. So we're starting the day with some buy-ins. The charts are very early in the day, of course. Rivian, we've started with a bit of selling. Space, a bit of selling. Of course, the charts are only seconds old. There's not much to show you just yet. But there we go. We'll keep an eye on the charts for you. But they're not saying very much right now, but they will in a minute, all right? but as you can see on the hour, we're up now nearly 0.5%, doing very, very well. And we're above 38,000 now. We've only got 20,000 to go to my all-time high. But there we go. So if Alex Hunt comes into the live chat, let me know, our sponsor. I've got a treat for him. All right? Okay, so Coles is now down 1.68. As we predicted, Coles will drop back and then buy back up again. I'm sure of that. What goes up always comes down. Rivian is down 4% now, SPCE. I'm just getting my Coinbase account ready to share with Cyrus, but he hasn't come back and said hello yet. If he comes back and says hello and introduces himself, I absolutely will do that. Let's have a quick look at some the world markets. I know you're always interested in this. It's very good to look at the world markets. This gives you an indication. New Zealand opened today, or it's down right now, and Australia opened is down 2.49. Nikkei is down 2%. The Hang Seng in Hong Kong is down 1.67. The DAX in Europe now is up 46. FTSE is up 86, and we're opening up now. So there we go. It's going to be a good day today. It's going to be like yesterday. We'll drop down. We'll bounce back up again. But that's great. It's a day trader's dream. But I'm not day trading right now. I'm not doing very much at all. I've got my stocks. I've got my investment. I've got my cash on the side, and I'm holding my position right now. And with all these drops, all it does is it settles things down. Paddy and Alicia, one of my favourite Italian singers. He's got a YouTube link there. What is that? Let me have a look at that. Let me have a look. Oh, I see. He's posted a link to Paddy and Alicia. Wonderful stuff. Great. Okay, let's get back into the trading positions. We're up 0.46 now, 7.2, nearly 1% now on the hour. But I would expect we might see a bit of a drop this morning and then bounce back up again. But overall, though, on the day, let's have a look at it on the day. We are down just slightly. We're down 0.97. I think we'll get the same. Oh, hello. Paul B is here. Will Elon eat a Happy Meal on TV if McDonald's accepts Doge? Elon Musk loves the tweets, doesn't he? He loves it. Loves all the attention, all the fun and games of tweeting. Good luck to him. Today we're a bit celebrating today. A bit of a shame. We had Siri came in, TechView, wanted to know about Shiba Inu, and I invited him to introduce himself, and he decided not to. So we won't cover that until he comes back and does that. All right, so let's go over now to the gold members, and I'm really excited today if we get in Alex Hunt. He's our first sponsor to the channel, and it's getting very exciting now. We are every 3 minutes a follower on TikTok, but actually we're getting closer to every 2 minutes now. It's really quite exciting on TikTok. So I know a lot of TikTokers are watching me now. Thank you ever so much. Let me just call out a couple of names. Sir Twinklebeak, good morning. Ready for the next Bitcoin dump? Yes, I am. But I'm holding my position because every time it dumps and returns, it gains strength. Talking of SHIB, did you see there was their new metaverse project? No, I didn't. I haven't really got any time to look into that right now. But thanks for sharing that. Let me put that on the screen. There you go. I'll happily share my Coinbase position for our guest, but he's not come back yet. Anyway, Paul B, thank you ever so much for being here. We've got lots of new perks now being added to the members. So here we go. If you want to be a member, we've got some really great perks being added. And you might have a look at the perks. There are more. If you want to ask me in the live chat, there are more than I can put on what YouTube provide me. But anyway, here's our first sponsor. There we go. Alex Hunt. I don't have his business yet. He hasn't given me the details, but he's about to have the banner 24/7. That starts today, and that'll be running 24/7. But also, as a sponsor, if you are a sponsor and you sponsor the banner on the 24/7 show, you are able, just for $10 in the super chat, whenever you want, but only once per show, in a live show, can come in and I will run a commercial for you. A 35, 40-second commercial for your business. And only once per show, though. And you get that for $10. I'm offering the cheapest marketing for anyone right now. We're at the very beginning of our journey. So we're just setting it all up. Okay, we're down 0.86 on the day, but we are coming up now to just over 15 minutes before the bell goes. And we're very, very excited. It's going to be another good day today. Yesterday was a good day. I feel really good now. I feel we've had a bit of a drop, and it's just going to be bouncing upwards now. It's going to take a couple of months to recover, but it will recover stronger. That's what history always shows us. So Bitcoin bounce of 6 months lows as buyers step in. Let me bring this to you now. New York, London, Reuters. Bitcoin gained on the day on Monday as buyers stepped in to buy cryptocurrency after earlier tumbling to its lowest level in 6 months on fears of a Russian attack on Ukraine. There you go. Remember I said yesterday we're on a war footing. They are. I said that yesterday. 6 months of fears of a Russian attack on Ukraine, and before this week's Federal Reserve meeting, the largest cryptocurrency was last up 2.5% at 37,250 after early dropping to 32, its lowest price since July. That took losses from its all-time high of 69 hit in November past 50%. Bitcoin is now at a critical juncture where analysts say that further selling could reverse its long-term bull trend. The currency fell earlier on Monday on rising tensions between Russia and Ukraine. NATO said it was putting forces on standby and reinforcing Eastern Europe with more ships and fighter jets in what Russia denounced as an escalation of tensions over Ukraine. So there we go. Bitcoin. Tahida. Channel got a lot of potential. Keep it up. Tahida, thank you ever so much indeed, Tahida. Lovely to have you here. You didn't answer the question. Where did you come from? Love to know where you came from. And don't forget, folks, if you are a member, remember yesterday for Mark Korn, it was a massive day. If you are a member and you want a happy birthday, I'd go to the back of my studio live as the World Piano Man and sing you happy birthday and make you a happy birthday video, which you can copy and share on your social media. So absolutely brilliant. If you are a member, your birthday can be yesterday, today, or tomorrow, and we will do that for you. All right? Fantastic. Great stuff. Tahida says, channel's got a lot of potential. Keep it up. We're only a few months old. We gain 3 followers, a follower every 3 minutes. It's nearly every 2 minutes now on TikTok. And we gain 15 subscribers a day on YouTube on average. Let's have a look. Go back to the trading screen. One last time, I will never send emails to anyone here. It could be of being a very sad troll or some con man. So best to totally ignore any email, etc. that you may receive live. Chat is enough. Yes, it's difficult, and I will regard it as a mark of success. So, you know, it's the way it goes. You know, it's the way it goes. Right, we're down very slightly on the day now, but we're increasing. Okay, 15 minutes to go. Let's bring in the timer. Here we go, before the bell goes. And here we go. I predict the same thing that will happen yesterday as today. Located in Jersey. Oh, you did say. I apologise. You did say. Like your like that image, by the way, Tahida. That's a very cool icon there for your YouTube channel. Absolutely awesome. I don't know if you are a YouTuber or a TikToker, but for my silver members and upwards, you get lots of perks, but one of the perks you get, apart from cash giveaways every Friday and all that stuff, I always give back more than you invest as a member. That's what I built it to be like. But also, you, as a silver member, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I drop your links in the live chat, and we're going to do that once again now for Bill. Right, so Tahida, if you're interested in becoming a member to the channel, let me give you the invite in the chat here. There's many perks, and this channel is about supporting the community, making a family, most engaging YouTube channel on YouTube, about engagement. We're small, but we have the best engagement, and the investment as a member is designed to make you more than you put in. That's the idea, right? So yesterday, Bill became a silver member. Here he is, now on the homepage of my YouTube channel as a featured channel. He's over here. If I scroll across, there he is, look, in the featured channel. Right, here's his channel. So let's very quickly copy and paste, put that into the live chat, and let's get him to 50 subscribers today. I know a lot of you've already done it, but now he's a silver member. Let's do it. He's on. He was on 46. We got him to 47. We want 3 more. 47. Let's get him to 50 during the show. Be absolutely great, right? And that's what we want to do for Bill. All right. We welcome this morning our very first sponsor member as well. Sponsor member, thank you ever so much for being a sponsor. There we go. Alex Hunt. I haven't yet got his information, but he now sponsors the 24-hour feed, and he can also have a commercial during the live shows as well. Check out Elon's Twitter. It seems he's trying to manipulate again with Dogecoin. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Shall we have a quick look? I do follow Elon Musk on Twitter. Doesn't everyone? Let me have a quick look. Let me go over to his account and see if I can share it. What's he said this morning that may be of interest to us? Okay, let's have a look. Okay, let me share with you my Twitter account. Here we go. Now, what you can see here is my Twitter, and you'll see at the top all my silver members and upwards. Look, you see I follow you on TikTok. Sorry, on Twitter, and I engage. I don't just follow you, I engage with you and tag you in the posts so you can grow your channels as well. You grow, we all grow together. All right, so let's have a look. And as we scroll down here, we come to Elon Musk. There he is. Let's have a look. Let's see what he's actually doing. Oh, hello, that's a good start, isn't it? What's he quote? What's he done here? Be yourself, not like that. What's he done here today? I will eat a Happy Meal on TV if Bitcoin, if McDonald's accepts Dogecoin. Look at that. He's just playing with the world. I take no notice of it. It's interesting and it affects things, but it doesn't actually affect. If you look back, if you actually stand back and watch what actually happens, it doesn't affect long-term investment. Things go down and up and all over the place, and people get excited. And I haven't got time for it. I haven't got time for the silly games and nonsense that people seem to want to play with that. We can talk about it. It's entertaining. It's fun. But a bit more like Warren Buffett, I think. Just that stuff is fun and entertaining. But long-term, your investments will go where they need to be if you've bought the right things. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just volatility. It's not actual overall growth. It's just day-to-day volatility. As long as he makes me money, you don't care. Absolutely. There you go. Let him do his thing. I find it quite entertaining. All right, let's go back to the trading screens right now and let's have a look where we are right now. And we've got just 9 minutes, 56 seconds to go. If you've just tuned in, good morning and welcome. We're just about to come up to the smash the like button as well. If you'd like to be a member, check out all the perks. There are many more perks as well that we can't even include, such as these the sponsorship and me working on your behalf to promote your online presence. We can't even put that in. The list isn't long enough. Rivian is down 3.83. SPCE is down 3%, just lifting up again. We're going to have the same day as yesterday. It's actually fantastic for day traders right now. But I'm not putting any more money in. My portfolio is large enough. My cash reserves are where they need to be. I'm not retiring today, so I'm not concerned that my portfolio is down. And remember, we were up here. We were up here at 58, and we're all the way back down. But what took all that time to grow could pop up in days, certainly weeks, even less than that. So I'm not concerned at all. In fact, I'm more secure now than I was before. I think we've got much, much greater potential than we had before. And each time that we have these drops and corrections, it just shows me the strength of my stocks, the ones that behave a certain way. I think, okay, this is holding up fine. If you stand back and look at the overall thing, you think, okay, it's actually fine. Immersion is flat right now. On is down 2.31. Rolls-Royce is down 2.75. Boeing is down 1.65. Apple is down 1.7. Google is down 2. Coke is down 0.73. Tahida, new to Robinhood options trading. Any tips? Currently doing crypto at the moment. Tahida, thank you very much indeed. I don't do options trading. The best person to ask is our biggest trader. That is Muzanella. Muzanella buys contracts by the multi-dozen. If you want to talk to a big investor, a big trader, Muzanella is the guy. You can speak to him on here. He speaks in the 24-hour chat. Breaking news, drop stuff in if it happens. The 24-hour chat will start permanently as of today. When I'm off air, it starts and it runs all the time. We've also got a Discord group. You can ask all the team. Let me share with you the Discord group. I don't like options. I know Muzanella does. I don't do that. I just trade live stocks, live in my show. I don't even set limit orders. I do everything live. I'm here in the studio 10 hours a day. There is the Discord group. There you go. Muzanella's mentioning to you now what he's doing with his options. Here is the all links button. And we have a lot of you, as you are a Robinhood investor, and obviously you're in the US, brokerages give me money and free stocks and shares to promote their platforms. But what I like to do, because we're all about family and this channel and this community more than money, for me it's about you, not the money I'm making. I give it back to you. So there is my all links button. Check that out, and there are all the links that you might need if you want to get some free stocks, get some free crypto. It's all there. And as a member as well, on Friday, we actually give cash giveaway live in the show. I do it every Friday, and we're getting excited for the day I can give away $1,000 as the show gets bigger and grows. That's what I'm aiming to do. So there we go. We've got just 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. Just 6 minutes to go. And we're seeing everything pop up now. Up on the hour, nearly 1%. And on the day, we're just down slightly, 0.73. So new Robinhood options trading. Any tips? Muzanella, could you answer that? You are the very, very best person to discuss options with our guest today. Our guest to the family, Tahida, New Jersey. I've got a friend in New Jersey, another musician like myself. Do we have anybody today like Mark Korn? Yesterday it was Mark Korn's birthday and we had a really blow up moment. We broke the chat record yesterday. It was incredible yesterday. I couldn't believe it with the birthday. Absolutely brilliant. Muzanella is doing options. I'll be adding more GGPI calls if it touches the $10. Let's have a look at GGPI. If it touches $10, options trading. This is a big one that Muzanella is doing. Tahida, definitely recommend you talk to Muzanella. If you wish to be a member of the Discord group, got a great group over there. And let me introduce you as well to our our fans here today. Let me just change that screen a minute. Okay, to the studio. Here we go. Let me introduce you. Yeah, the big 33 yesterday. Congratulations, mate. That was a fun day, wasn't it? Let's bring in some of our members. Here we go. There's Dr. Smith. Here's Muzanella. So for Tahida's benefit, this is Muzanella. He's in Florida, and he's got his day trader mug. There is Robert. He's got his day trader mug. Dave Mottram over in the UK. Queen of Self-Braiding, another a YouTuber who we sponsor and help. Genius in the UK. We got Bill. He's got his mug. He's got his mask. He's got his fleece. We got Alicia from Italy. She's Alicia and Patty. I beg your pardon. In the chat. There you go. And we're getting excited because, of course, on Friday it's our first star guest of the channel. We've got Greg Dickerson joining us for a live interview where you can call in and ask him live real estate investing questions. And go below my videos and leave questions for him. Also, you can leave it on Discord or in the super chat or anywhere you like. But members only, please. That's a members only perk. Live questions to a financial expert in the real estate market. All right, 3 minutes to go. Gores Guggenheim is actually popping up. We're now down 0.75 on the day. Coles is down 1.52. Tesla is down 2%. Rivian is down 4%. Let's look at our crypto. Bitcoin is now up 1.82. And I've said it, and I've said it time and time again. My Bitcoin is my most secure asset. Despite its volatility, I've made more money on Bitcoin and it holds its position, even though you see it drop the way it did last few days. If you pan out, it's still a great asset. And you need to sort of get perspective sometimes and sort of pan out. If you become a member, that's what happens. If you subscribe, that's what happens. And if you drop a super chat, that's what happens. Sure, please spin at least 1 month. Spend 1 month learning about options on YouTube before starting with options, and then paper trade options for starters. He's dead right. He's absolutely right. I mean, that's the right thing to do. Lots of YouTube content. You don't have to, take the advice on what you should or shouldn't buy. That's down to your investment. But you most certainly can watch how it works. And that's great. I mean, I use that for everything. Tahida, I heard you. Thank you. And do paper trading as well. Absolutely. And one great resource. Here we go. We've got 1 minute now. Is this live show? We are live every morning for the opening and closing bell. We're live about 5 hours a day on this channel. Plus, we have other videos coming out. Plus, we have live interviews with experts in the field, and the 24-hour live feed as well, where you can talk to traders live if things are happening. Right, here we go. Let's see what happens today. So I think this channel can bring you everything you need. That's what it was set up for. I'm just bringing the community together. All right. We've got just a few seconds to go before we go live. Here we go. Here comes the bell. All right, we're off and running. Here we go, here we go, here we go. All right, we're off and running now. And we're now into the pre-market. There's the pre-market, and we could have things drop. And if we do, it's absolutely fine. Let's go into it. Coles, there it goes down, look. Tesla is now down 1.67. Rivian is down 4% this morning. Virgin Galactic is down. The studio setup is fire, man. Thank you very much indeed. If you're a music fan and you become a member, I can do you a bit of music in the show. I was actually voted World Piano Man, and this is my actual TV studio, and I'll go to the piano over there, and you'll see a different angle. Look, over this angle here, and I'll pump some smoke out. All the lights will start moving. No green screens in here. It's all totally real, and I do 14 different voices in 7 different languages. It's why I'm the World Piano Man. Right, did Bill get any more subscribers? Here we go. As a silver member, just very quickly, I want to get him to 50 today. I know I'm pushing Bill extra today because I want to get Bill up to 50 today. Let's refresh it. He's on 47. Let's get Bill to 50 subscribers. Come on, guys. There's 16 of you in the live chat right now. We could do it. We could easily get Bill to... right, we're down 0.31. We're holding our position. We're doing well, and we're moving up. This is good. Very, very good. Tesla's now pushing up, down 1%. Rivian is down 4%. Space is down 0.58. So it's quite good, actually. If you look at it, we're down, but we're pushing up again. So, you know, the market has been oversold. The studio setup is fire, man. Thank you very much indeed. I really appreciate that. I try to create the best sort of like TV quality experience. That's what I've been about. And when you start trading options, start setting up an entry and exit strategy 2 hours before the market opens and options to watch for re-entry. I mean, that's right. I mean, Muzanella commits to this. He gets up early in the morning. As I spend 10 hours a day on YouTube promoting... Oh, thank you ever so much. I'm so looking forward to that. Oh, whoops. I've had a bit of a spillage of coffee here live in the show. There we go. I've got my dear wife coming in now, mopping it up for me. Best start with the carpet just there, look. See it? There we go. You can't see her. She's under the camera. But my wife is... fixing my coffee right now. Oh, so nice. Thank you ever so much. You can't... I could press a button which would put her on camera, but I'm not going to do that. Because if I do that, I'll never get any coffee again. So it's not worth doing it. Incredible, Marty. Also, my channel is growing. Right. Patty... I know I've said this before because you are a bronze member. If you only upgrade to silver, it's only $2, right? I will not only put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Spilling coffee is good luck. Is that right? But not only will I put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel, I will not only drop your YouTube channel into the live chat, and everyone will subscribe to you. But more importantly than that as well, if you engage with me on my Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram accounts, I will not just follow you, because following the people is pointless, you know? It's just the beginning of the journey. I will tag you in my viral posts, and I will blow up your channel like I'm doing for everyone, all right? And as the channel grows, you'll get more and more benefits, all right? So I know you want to grow your YouTube channel. I don't know any other YouTuber out there who's gaining a follow every 3 minutes on TikTok and 15 a day on YouTube who will do that. And I want to do that for all of you. So try that. Patty, I just subscribed to your channel. There you go. Brilliant. Moves in there, just subscribe to it. I want to put it on the homepage here. Right, did Bill get any more than 47? He's at now, let's refresh it, 47. He's stuck on 47. Come on, guys. I think everyone's already done it. And Muzanella, thank you. All right, now then, let's see where we're up. Members today, of course, don't forget, if it's your birthday today, yesterday, or tomorrow, I will do you happy birthday live on the show, and you will get a video you can put on social media. Virgin Galactic is up now, 0.37. Look at this. Great. Much better. All right, we are just about to turn green for the day. Of course, my biggest position is SPCE. Up nearly 1%. There we go. GGPI is holding there. Oh, thanks so much, Musa. You're very welcome. Robinhood is now up 0.57. Palantir is moving up. But PayPal is moving up. Immersion is moving up. On is moving up now. Rolls-Royce is flat. Boeing is trading just down slightly. Apple is trading sideways. Google is just down 2% today. Great opportunity for Google. Coke is down 1%. Ethereum is now moving up as well, up today on the hour. Also, it's up 2% on the day. Bitcoin up as well, 2%. This is great. I bet I'm up on the day. There I go. I'm up now, 0.37. This is very, very good, very, very encouraging. We're going to get back those losses that we lost very, very quickly. Look at that. We're up 2% now on the hour, 1% on the day. Sorry, 0.5%, 0.32 on the day. But we've got a long way to go. But it is now showing signs of recovery. Tahida, I just subscribed to your channel. Absolutely great. Tahida, look at that. Brilliant. You just gained a subscriber as well, Tahida. Awesome stuff. Tesla is now moving up. Rivian is now moving up. SBCE is now moving up. GGPI is moving up. Lucid is moving up. Oh, Robinhood is up nearly 2%. Oh, 1.84. Look at that. This is great. Day trader's dream. Don't be surprised if things fall back, though, but we have got a big recovery to go, because if you pan out and you look back at the month, in fact, you look back at 3 months, this is all the stocks, all the tech stocks. This is my portfolio. We've got a long way to recover. In fact, I've got $20,000 to recover, but that to my all-time high. But I'm extremely bullish, extremely confident. I know I'll do it. I could buy the dips and ride it up, but I'm not doing so. I've got enough money invested here. I've got my cash on the side. I'm not greedy. I'm more about building the community and growing the money by itself without putting money in. And that's exactly what I'm doing. There you go. Moves, and then I just subscribed to Hida's YouTube channel. Great. Enjoy the coffee, Mark. I just enjoyed mine. Right. I think we're cleaned up now. Oh, that looks better. It's like magic. Leah just like magics it away. That is the most delicious cup of coffee. Fantastic. Right. So we could get a little turnaround now. Things have got dropped back down again. People will take profits. People have lost a lot of money over the last few weeks. So much potential in my stocks. So much potential now for growth. It's unbelievable. But this is why you don't want to sell out, because look what I would have lost this morning. And this is the situation. Always add to your positions. You've got your long-term investments, and you've got your... you have Discord. Yes, we do. I invited you a moment ago. Here's the all links button with all the links for all the different things. Twitter, Discord, Instagram, all of it. There we go. Let me give you that there. I'm off to meditate, chat this afternoon. Okay, Mark. Here is the Discord group. Here's the Discord group. Here it is. There is the Discord group. Musanella is a member of the Discord group. Live in the chat for you right there. Not yet, working on a new channel. Nice one. Musanella's working on a Discord group of his own. Wonderful stuff. Right, we're up now on the day, 0.17. Right, we've got the Day Trader of the Day competition very soon. We're finding out who the Day Trader of the Day is. Don't forget, we've got a big day on Friday. Big day for all of you YouTubers, TikTokers who want to gain an audience. We've got a star guest. He's got 200. His videos have 200,000 views, some of them, and he's got 34,000 subscribers on YouTube. And he's my star guest on Friday. So make sure you're here. And it'll be around the time when we do the cash giveaway as well. It's on the main channel already. You can go and follow the main event already. You can click an interest in it. So that's all good. Here's Bill's Fundly account. As a moderator, Bill can drop his link in there, and we encourage everyone to go and click on it. I'm hoping that Alex Hunt will join us today. I want to promote our sponsor today. He's not here just yet. Anyway, this is the live links. This is what we're doing on Friday for the live interview, and my members can call in. Remember as well, if you are a member and you want to call in, you can be in this video screen and share your screens, show what you're trading, promote your channel, whatever. As a member, you can call in and be part of our show. All right, you just need a camera and a microphone. In other words, an iPad, a phone, computer, all of those devices will have all of that. There you go. That's where Musanella will be at some point. We've been talking about it for ages. At some point we'll do it. Musa, come to Discord. It's very nice. Yeah. Alicia's great on Discord. She's on it a lot. There you go. There's the Discord group. It's all in the All Links button as well. All right. So here is the All Links button. And I can't wait for our next birthday. It was absolutely awesome. The birthday thing was great. I can't wait for our next birthday. Absolutely fantastic. So anyway, there we go. Let's get straight now back into the trades. And just like I said, look, dropping back down again. So things will come in, they'll drop back down again. Now, see. But overall, we'll be growing, and we are. We're just down slightly on the day. That's looking good. A musical channel, Musa. We're up 0.1 now. Coles, like I said, fallen down and now rising up again, and that's what it will do. I wish I could call Alex Hunt. I wish I could call him. I'm so excited to give him his commercial. I want to give him his commercial and demonstrate what he can have. So I'm excited about it. Subscribe and ring the bell if you're watching on the repeat. Lovely to have you here. Thumbs up the video. We've got 23 likes now. We're doing well. Today's a good day. And we got this news this morning we looked at with Bitcoin off 6 months lows. Remember, if you've bought into an asset you believe in, just be calm, relax, know why you bought in it in the first place. But at the same time, a lot of people attacked me on TikTok when I said, that Bitcoin could go to $1. And they're going, what are you talking about? And I'm going, hang on a minute, I've got 20% of my portfolio is Bitcoin. I'm not rubbishing it. I'm just explaining it can, because Bitcoin isn't like Tesla who have a product, they have a car. It's about people's faith in the currency, people's faith in the asset. If everybody said tomorrow Bitcoin was rubbish, it could go to zero. Of course it could. It has nothing to hold it up, but it won't do that, because what will happen is, as it falls, people will see a bargain and they understand the investment and they'll buy in, and the price will go up again. So I don't think it'll ever go to $1 at all. But I'm saying it can, if the whole world decided that it was all a con, it was all a joke. And Satoshi Nakamoto popped up tomorrow and said it's all a joke, I'm going to turn it off, or something. I mean, he can't, but you know what I mean. Then that would then it could. And whereas other stocks can't really do that unless they actually go bankrupt, as in, they get in the debt, they can't pay their bills, and no one buys their cars or their product or whatever it might be. But anyway, let's stand back and let's have a little look now on the week. What does all this little blip mean? As I say, it's nothing really. In the swing of things and the long term of it, if you pan out, it hardly even counts. So we've got a long way to go, and I think we've got until March before we see some real recoveries. Okay, I do think we've got a ways to go. But it's all good. Let's have a quick sip of coffee. There's something about coffee with milk and a little bit of brown sugar in there in the morning. It really is nice, isn't it? I should be a sponsor. Coffee should sponsor me. Some coffee company. There you go. A little plug there. If you're a coffee company, give me a call. I'd love some free coffee to mention you every day. Rivian is down 7.46, down at 59 now. So we're seeing some big pullbacks now again, as expected. Profit taking. This is going to continue now for a few months, exactly as I predicted. So we're okay with that. And Palatine is doing well today. It's up 1.11%. I've not made any money on it yet. I'm still down 45%. Why March for a recovery? Just wondering. Well, the reason why I say March, and don't hold me to a day or whatever, we've got by March we will either be at war or resolved the Russia situation, and that will calm down. That's a big part of what's going on. The Fed will interest rates and inflation will know the figures and will be a bit more bedded into that. So that'll kind of settle down. And also, if you just look at history, when you see people reacting in this way and overselling the markets and so on and so forth, it normally lasts 2 or 3 months, and then you get some sort of recoveries. And also, there's great news every day coming in for Bitcoin. And also, we've got all these companies that I invest in, like SPCE, about to announce some great news. That'll come in the next month or so. We've got we've got earnings reports coming up very soon. I think Apple this week is on Thursday. We've got Tesla. We've got so much good stuff coming in, but then people need the time to digest it. So that's why I think March. It's not a specific time. It could be the end of April. It could be early May. Early April, whatever. I genuinely think March will be early for recovery, more like summer time. But don't expect all-time highs, especially for Bitcoin. Makes sense. Yeah, and it's just little bits and pieces, but let's get one thing straight, right? Why I'm not worried that my portfolio looks like this, right? I've invested in the stocks I believe in. They've oversold. We've got a lot of uncertainty, and that's all the markets are. They're just uncertainty, right? I'm not looking to retire. Remember why we do this. There's two things going on here. One, me building a YouTube business, a community, a family. This is what I'm doing. This is one thing. Okay. The other thing is I'm building a portfolio for the future. I've got money in the bank to pay for the bills for the next few months. I've got I own my house. I don't have any loans. I don't have any car loans. I don't have a mortgage. This money doesn't need to be, a pension for another 10, 15 years, and probably I'll keep YouTube going forever. I mean, I'll probably sit here till I'm 90 if anyone's still listening to me. But at the end of the day, this doesn't need to pay my bills or really contribute to me until 10, 15 years. So this will be a $200,000 portfolio way before then, without me putting any money in. I'm absolutely confident of that. I don't think I need to do anything to do that. I think it'll just keep growing. But along the way, I'll trim off. If Tesla suddenly popped up today and had a massive surge, I'll take some profits and I'll buy something else and build that up. I won't just, it's like now, SPCE. If I look at SPCE, right, SPCE shows you, and this is where some people get confused. They look at it and they don't see the full picture, and they will try to attack me on social media, right? If you look here closely at Virgin Galactic, it says I'm down 42%. Okay? So people go, he's down $5,500. He's down 42%. He keeps saying he's made all this money, blah, 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 blah. Well, what that doesn't show is I've sold out and repositioned many times. Okay? I bought in, sold out, bought in, sold out. That doesn't show my full picture. And remember, at the end of the day, the value of each stock is irrelevant. What is relevant, what is important, is that number there, that portfolio number there, that number there. That's how much money you've got in your portfolio. And tomorrow you go, right, I'm selling everything. I'm out. I'm done. I'm now going to live on that money. I'm going to put that in the bank and I'm going to earn 1% interest or whatever. And that's my money. All that counts. And you might make a loss on one thing to save taxes, or you take a loss because you've put money in something else. And that's fine. It's all about the overall thing. And right now, that 41% doesn't really reflect my actual position with Virgin Galactic. I've made a lot of money trading it, scalping it, swing investing, long-term investing is different. But right now I'm down. I am down, no question. In fact, I'm down more than that. That's the point. I'm not down 42%. Currently on Virgin Galactic, overall, I'm down about 60%. But that doesn't bring in the money I sold out and the profits I made when I was making profits and putting into somewhere else. So these averages and stuff like that don't give the full picture. You have to take note. And as I trade, you might notice sometimes I'll say, right, I've got Rivian at 60. I'm looking at my list now. I've got a list of trades. I'm not trading right now and I haven't traded now for about 2 weeks, have I? No, I'm not doing anything. But I will decide this morning, okay, I'm going to buy 20 shares of Virgin, and I'll go, right, 840, and I'll sell 20 shares at 850. Right, well, that won't be reflected in my overall balance because that's in and out. So the overall, when you look at someone's portfolio, it doesn't show the whole picture. You need to see all the list of transactions. What did they sell everything out and start again? Because I've done that. I've actually been down, sold everything. Remember, because you can do that. You can save money on taxes. If you have a stock and you think it's down, it's lost a lot of money, and you think it's going to stay down for at least 30 days, you could sell it. That then will go against taxes as a tax loss, as long as it doesn't pop up again within 30 days. Hopefully it goes even lower. You could then buy back, and you've built into your tax position a loss. Now you could buy back in, make a profit. As long as you don't sell, you just hold those stocks. You won't pay capital gains tax until you sell. So you could end up having a tax loss go against your taxes, buy back in again, and sit on your investment for the next 10 years and not pay any taxes for 10 years. And in fact, when you do, you've had a tax loss built in, so you'll actually get a rebate on it. So there's more to investing than just the price of the stock on the day and so on and so forth, and your overall return. This doesn't show the full picture at all. You need to write down your trade, so you know today I bought 10 shares of Tesla or whatever, and I'm for X amount, and I sold it for X amount, and that's how much I made. You need to keep that information, on your accounts. Paul B says, patience is definitely key with crypto, especially too many people want instant millions. Yeah, the people who want instant money are the ones who will always lose. If you look at people that go to the casino all the time, people are gambling all the time, the house always wins. Most gamblers lose. You hear about the guy who goes in and who puts all his money on black and wins, but you don't hear about all the people that lost. And the same with the guy who wins. He doesn't tell you the last 50 times he lost, but today he wins. If you're investing for quick time profits, you can, but most will lose. Whereas if you buy in what you believe in, you buy good assets, buy good stocks, and you have patience, you'll always win. Long term. And isn't that what it's about? Isn't that what it's about? When you're earning money in your younger years, once you've paid off your mortgage and your car loan and your debt, because you should do that first because you pay more interest than you're making here. Then you start investing. You're investing, the very term investment, it means for the future. You're not gambling, you're investing for a future when you don't need to trade anymore. When you don't need to invest anymore. Talking about Meet Kevin yesterday, who's sold all his shares, his portfolio of 20 million. Doesn't need to do it anymore. got enough money to live as comfortably as you could imagine. And you don't need to do it anymore. You can do it for fun. So patience is definitely key with crypto, especially too many people want millions without allowing their projects they've invested to actually do the work for your investment and grow according. Absolutely right. Do chat. Yeah, I think space will be above $25 this year. I think it will do a lot better than that. What will happen, do chat, when they announce a flight this year, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes 50, 60, building up to the flight and then drop back down again. So it won't sustain at 50 and 60. No, it won't suddenly be a new bottom. It won't be a support level at 50, 60, but it definitely will pop up for the day because it does it every time. I'm still trying to call the bottom though. I might have missed it already. But like I said, who cares about the bottom? Don't try and time the market. People time the market always lose. Forget timing the market. Look at this. But pan out. Get the big picture. Every one of these peaks is a test flight. Look what happens. Look. 40 and 55. It doesn't show on the graph here on the chart, but actually it went up to 70. I think it was 70 for a moment. So it'll pop up, make you loads of money, and you just sell it. All right? So even though people say it's years away before Virgin Galactic will make a profit, before it really matures to an asset worth $200-300 a share, before that time, it'll keep popping up, and that's what you'll sell. And then you buy it back down again. So look, it does it every time. But now, the next flight, we've got actual paying customers. It'll do better than this. But it won't stay up there. It'll fall back down again because it's still early days. But so that's what I'll be doing. So when you talk about the bottom, if someone says to you, if someone predicted to you in the future that Virgin Galactic is going to, later on this year, go $50, $60, $70 a share, which it will, I'm absolutely confident of that. Otherwise, I wouldn't have 20% of my portfolio, currently 60% in real terms, down. Look, there we go, look, 20%, right? I've actually got, in real terms, about 60% of my portfolio is Virgin. That's how bullish I am on it, right? But that will grow way too quickly, so I'll trim off the top. So if someone said to you, Virgin Galactic, if someone could read a crystal ball and said, hey, Virgin Galactic is going to be $50, $60 this year, and in the future it'll be $200-300, why do you care whether you paid $8.50 or $8.49 or $8.48 or $8.46 or $7.99? Who cares? You're investing in the value, not the price. Surely the upswing far outweighs the downswing. Otherwise, one, why the hell are you investing in it? You're only investing in something which you think is going to go up 100%. You're not thinking, well, I'm going to invest in it because it might go up 1%. You might as well put your money in the bank. So if you think it's going to go up 100%, why do you really care whether you buy it at $8.50 or $8.49 or $8.48? Because ultimately it's going to be $200-300 in 10, 15 years. Who the hell cares? Who the hell cares? People are too concerned with, can I get it at the bottom? Don't try and time the market. What is the point of that? He said greed. I just want the very best price. Well, that's great. And then and it's good if you get it. I totally get it. Check in. The Queen of Self-Braiding is here. She's just checked in. How are you, Queen? Murray McCunge, you are here about the weddings. You only hear about the weddings. You never hear about the funerals. That's right. Do chat. Yeah, I want space. I think space would go to 25. I'm still trying to call the bottom though. I might have missed it already though. Who cares? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All you do is you waste your time. I think every minute of the day should be used valuably, and time that you're spending trying to time the market, you could be earning that money by doing something else, promoting your business, or going online, or I mean, there's a million things you can do to grow wealth and capital and stuff like that. It's easy to make money. Easy to make money now online and with investing. What's hard is keeping the money. So I wouldn't even be remotely bothered about can I get the market can I time the market? I mean, who cares? Well, obviously you care. I'm not. You care, and that's fine. We all want to buy the lowest price, but I'm buying in Virgin Galactic because it will be $200-300, not because I can buy it at $8.98 or $8.99. I don't really care about that. It's not important. And if you put it another way, if you go into a shop and you go and say, all right, I want to buy that suit. That suit is it's $200, sir. $200 for that suit. Yeah, well, I don't know. Is it ever going to be $199.95? Well, it might be. I mean, I don't know. Is it worth to you $200? Then buy it, because start using it and getting the benefit of it, rather than, well, I don't know. It might be worth. I might be able to save myself $5. Anyway, that's just my opinion. Palantir is up 0.86 today. PayPal is down 0.4. 4%, not 0.4. 4% PayPal now. That's a big drop for PayPal. Not surprised there. We're selling off again now. We made some profits and we're selling off again. Where does KSS go? Yep, dropping back down lower. Where's Dave Mottram? I told you it would. You didn't believe me? Coles went down. We had a bit of an argument this morning. I don't think Coles went down. Yeah, it did. And now it's going down even further, just like everything else. I've called the market perfectly this morning, and it's going to do this now for a couple of months. I'm no doubt about it. If you've just joined the show, good morning and welcome. Subscribe and ring the bell. We're waiting for Alex Hunt to join us so we can do something special for him. Let me bring some of our members. If you are a member, here are our bronze members. Oops, there we go. We've now got a sponsor level as well. The past hour, we've just dropped back a bit, and we're just dropping back on the day now. No surprise there. And don't forget, if you want the all links button for all the free offers, all the social media, all the great places, all the things we give away, there's the all links button. If you want to be a member of the channel and receive all those perks and benefits, and they get better and better in time, and as we grow, I will do more for you. When I'm off air, I work for my silver members. I actively follow you, engage with you on social media. I don't just follow you. And remember, that's pretty pointless, just following people for the sake of it. What is important is you engage. DWAC just started to run. I don't see any news. Of course, right. We got DWAC again now. All right, now we were talking about casinos. Alex Sandylands. Alex Sandylands is one of our members, right? There he is on the screen now from England. There he is, Alex Sandylands. Wonderful to have you, Alex. Wonderful to have you here. One of our members. He's been away for a while, but he's actually here now in the live chat. Great to have you here, Alex. So anyway, very, very quickly, before we look at everyone, welcome Alex Sandylands, and he's not been here for a while. Alex, don't forget, as a bronze member, you are entitled to your birthday, the day before, the day of, and the day after. If it's your birthday, let us know. We want to celebrate with you and do a live song on the show. Right, DWAC. Before we look at it, one of the perks of my silver members, let me bring in my silver members right now. Bill upgraded yesterday. We want to get Bill to 50 subscribers. As a silver member, you now go on the homepage of the Day Trader YouTube channel. There it is. Let me scroll in and let me show you Bill's account. There it is. There he is. And we've done it. I wanted to get Bill over 50 subscribers. And as a silver member, I promised he would. And that's exactly what we've done. Bill, 51 subscribers. We did it for you. I told you we would. There you go. And we're going to get Mark Korn to 1,000 subscribers. So there you go. There's your promotion for the day. As a silver member, you're entitled to that. I give you that. All right. So let's make sure Mark Korn has been fully supported today. Oh, I think Mark Korn's not in the chat right now. So we'll do Mark Korn another day. And we're going to get Mark Korn to 1,000 subscribers. I mean, we're very close to there now. So he can monetize and get a profit on his investment as a member. All right, fantastic. Welcome, Alex. Right, let's have a quick look at DWAC. DWAC is pumping today. I'm not touching it. I regard it as a gamble stock. I made some money on it already. It's up 4.5% today. There we go. How low is it right now? It's pretty low for the time. Yeah, I'd rather put my money in Virgin or Tesla or anything else, because this one will drop, will go up and down like a stone. I made money when it was round here, bought and sold here several times, and I just think it's a protest vote for Donald Trump. And then you've got the other side of the argument who will just sell it and short it and God knows what else. So it's not for me. There you go. DWAC, thanks for mentioning that. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. We're up to 24 likes now. There we go. Bit of a quiet show today, I'll tell you. Bit of a quiet show. We're all getting ready for the Friday cash giveaway for all our members. Alex Sandylands, I don't know. I think so. We had a cash giveaway. I think it was last week. You actually won the money, but you wasn't here to claim it. You need to be in the live show on the opening bell, the Friday show, if you remember. You really need to be in there. And if you're busy, have it running in the background. You can put it on mute. But if your name pops up, you claim the cash prize, and we're building up the channel for the day we can give away $1,000. You don't want to miss that. All right, it's quite entertaining when we go through 3 or 4 people that aren't in the chat. But make sure you're in, particularly on the Friday cash giveaway. So important. We want you to make money on your investment as a member. That's what this is all about, right? You get more out of my channel if you engage than it costs you to be involved, right? That's the idea. If you use all the benefits, claim all the free stuff that you get as a member, take advantage of all the opportunities that I give you. All right, PayPal is down 4% right now. Watching that one, and oh, right, it's now time for the Day Trader of the Day competition. And just before we do that, let's run a quick ad. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. You can skip the ad if you like. Here we go. There we go. We're back with you now. All right, we're going to do the Day Trader of the Day. And I suggest everyone refreshes their screen so you're up to date. If you're behind, you won't be in the competition for the Day Trader of the Day. So let's have a little look. Make sure everyone's up to date. Refresh your screen now. Okay, let me go to the your main portfolio. Go on the day, and right now I'm down again. See, everything's dropped back down. It's just like we predicted this morning. It is down. I am down, but I'm not bothered. 1.41%. I'm down 1.41%. Okay. So I'm going to give a minute timer. When you see the timer come up, you've got a minute to post your scores, and we'll see who the winner of the day is. All right, we'll see who the winner of the day is. But right now, let's go over to the world positions. And as you can see, we did all right in Europe, but S&P and New York is dropping back. No surprise there. Everyone's selling off right now. There you go. Exactly as predicted. Oh, Alex Hunt is here. I'm booking half term in Cornwall. Where would you go? Right, Alex Hunt, we've been waiting for you. So, Alex Hunt, I'm so excited that you've come in. Right. So first of all, let's do the Day Trader of the Day. And Alex, I've got a surprise for you. Okay? I'm excited. So Alex Hunt, stand by. But first of all, here is the Day Trader of the Day. So you've got 1 minute to post your scores. I am down 1.41. Let's bring in the scores 1 minute from now. Here we go. Let's see who wins the day trader of the day. Down 2.29. Alex, stand by. I got a surprise for you. Down 2.25 seconds. Who's going to win the day trader of the day? Let's see who wins. So far, I'm winning. Bill is in second place. 15 seconds. Three, two, one. All right, there we go. Okay. Up. Duchak, right on the last second. You all seem to be a bit behind. That's why I said refresh the screen. It's very, very important. Up. Duchak is up. So there we go. Let me give the winner. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And let's give him a round of applause. There we go. And blow the air horn. Right, Alex, are you still here? Alex Hunt, are you in the live chat? I want to make sure before I do this next segment that you are in the live chat. And I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm always excited when things keep growing and growing and getting better and better. And Alex Hunt, I just want to make sure he's in the live chat. So Alex Duchak wins today on his cool motorbike. He's up 1.5%, which is great. I was up shortly a while ago, but it's just dropped back and it'll recover again today, I'm sure. But this will go on for a month. Right. Alex Hunt, are you in the live chat? Everyone seems to have gone quiet. I think everyone's refreshing their screens and watching an ad. That's probably what's happening. So I'll give it a minute and everyone come back. Virgin Galactic is now down 3.37. Yes, he is. All right. Okay. Now, everybody, Alex Hunt became a sponsor yesterday. So first of all, I want to give a huge, huge shout out. Hey, Alex, I just realised something. You're not showing as a member. That's weird. Have you signed in with a different account? Have you signed in with a different account, Alex? Because you don't have a badge next to your name, and that's odd because you are a member. So before I do this then for you, I just need to make certain I'm here. There he is. I don't know why your name in the chat isn't got a badge next to it, because you are a member. You are a sponsor member. So I want to see why that hasn't. Are you in a different account? Because that's weird. So before I do this next segment for Alex, I want to just double check that what's happening here. Because Alex is a member, he's a sponsor member, the highest level we have right now. And this is my phone. Seems to be different. Okay. Okay, you obviously have a different account, whatever. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm glad you clarified that because I just wanted to check. If I look at your membership. Oh, yes. Yes, it's a different one. It's got a different icon. In fact, it doesn't have an icon. My legit one is the account with the photo. Okay, well, you've become a member with your with your other account. That's why I couldn't add you as to put your channel on the. Yeah, let me share with you. It's important I share this with you then, so you know. Look, Alex. Right, look. Here is the account you became a member with. This one. And this one has no content as a YouTuber. There's no content. So I can't add that. But, so what you could do is at the end of the month, use the other one. I don't know. But you've joined as a member with that one. All right. As you can see, there it is, Alex Hunt. All right. Anyway, I'll let you sort that out. But anyway, what I wanted to say was this. We have now got our very first sponsor to the channel, and that's Alex Hunt with his different account. It's a bit confusing, right? But he is a member. He's just using a different account. Anyway, huge thanks to him because all my members are what fund the channel. Yeah, bin the other one. Well, I can't bin it. You've subscribed to it and followed it. It's your account. I can't control that. All right. But if you then use the other account and you sign in and become a member of that one, you can cancel the other one and you can whatever. But I can't cancel your account. Okay. Anyway, this is what I wanted to say. We've now added another overlay. This is Alex Hunt. Right now, I don't have his business details. I only have his name. I don't have his YouTube channel. Like I said, it's a different account. So there is the sponsor level now, right? Now, 24 hours a day, starting today, whenever I'm not on air, my live stream will start and Alex will have a banner for his business put in the live feed. And only members only can chat, and he can come in and drop his links and his YouTube channel and his business and so on and so forth. So as a sponsor, he pays $99 a month and he gets 24 hours a day promotion. When I am not streaming, I will stream the other show, which has his banner on it and the live chat and so on. Now, here's the new perk we added this morning, early hours of this morning. Only sponsors, so he's the only one right now, only sponsors can have this extra benefit. All right? Because his banner and his link will run 24/7 for everybody that comes into the show as it runs when I'm off air. But as a sponsor, he can drop $10 in the live chat as a super chat, and I will run a 40-second commercial only once per show. And anytime he wants that, he can have that. Because obviously that's when the audience are watching live and so on. So I'm now going to give you, Alex Hunt, your commercial for free. This is what you can have, or any sponsor can have. If they're a sponsor and they run the banner 24/7, they can have this during the live show. And whenever they come in and they want a commercial, they've got a lot of people watching, or they want to promote it or record it or share it with friends or whatever, they can come into the live chat as a sponsor member. They can drop $10 in the super chat and I will run this commercial. So right now I'm doing this for free for Alex to demonstrate what sponsors can have. So are you ready for our very first one? So this is what I will say. I will say we're now going to hear from one of our sponsors. Here we go. There you go. Is this your business, Alex? I just took the liberty to guess this was your business. I hope I'm right. But here we go. This is our first commercial. So we have Alex here. This is our sponsor today. He's just given me a $10 tip in the super chat for this 40-second commercial. I'll drop his businesses in the live chat. So here we go. This is Alex's business. And this will be on the YouTube video forever, of course, because all this stuff stays here forever. There's his link to his website. And Electron Water Hygiene, established since 2009. ECA Hygiene Analyte Solutions. This is what they do. And I'll quickly play you his video. It's a product here which releases like a steam into your environment, which disinfects, Analyte Dry Fogger, which disinfects your environment. There you go. There's his shop link. I've just given you the link for that if you want to go and get one. On the 10th of February 2005, after spending 8 years at Panasonic Electroworks in factory automation, Alex Hunt was appointed product manager for a firm designing and making ECA generators. These ECA generators make electrochemically activated solutions called analyte and catholytes. Today, with a wealth of knowledge in a broad range of industry sector, Electron Water Hygiene apply this knowledge to help reduce the risk from deadly pathogens, including COVID-19. There you go. So there's just an example of a commercial I do for $10 for sponsors only. If you're a sponsor, you'll get your banner run 24/7. Please send it in to me, Alex, or I can just pinch it from here if you like. I'll do it for you, so you don't have to do any work, all right? And there is your business. Not only did you get that commercial, it's on the video forever. And all you've got to do is drop me a $10 super chat anytime you want that. You can only have it once per show, and there is your free one. I did that for you for free, and I won't be doing it for free anymore. You've all seen how it works. Fantastic. There you go. Murray McKine is already interested. You might have just sold your first one. So literally, guys, for $99 a month, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and for $10 a commercial, could you get a better business marketing tool? I don't think so. All right, I bet he's just sold his first one. There you go. Murray McKine from Scotland's interested already. Alex, haha, looks good. Yes, that's one of them. All right, so thank you, Alex, for being a sponsor. And next time you want that, you can have that once a show. $10 is all it costs you in the super chat. All right, there you go. And that's open to anybody who wants to be a sponsor to the channel. You have to be a sponsor. You can't just pay $10 and get a commercial like that. But if you are a sponsor, you can get that. Okay, there we go. Thanks for our sponsor today. Let's get back into the trades. Here we go. And when this show finishes, by the way, the 24-hour feed will start. And I'll put Alex's business there in the description below the video and the banner on the channel. I'll do that for him now. Even though he hasn't sent it to me. He's paying for this month, so I want to get something up for him. And there you go. All right. Virgin Galactic is down 1.28. GGPI, we're just waiting for it to pop down to 10. Mujilana is going to buy a contract. Cheers, thanks for the free commercial. You're very welcome. And and remember, that goes out to 20 platforms at the same time. And on TikTok, I have 13,000 followers, and I gain a follower every 3 minutes. It's nearly every 2 minutes now. And this is on Facebook. This is on Twitter. This is on Instagram. This is live in 20 places at the same time. So it's not just on YouTube. So you're reaching hundreds of thousands of people literally a day for $10. All right? A commercial. There you go. You're very welcome. It won't always be $10, but it is right now. Okay. PayPal is down 3.63. And On is down 1.57. Rolls-Royce is down 1.3. Boeing is down 2. Apple is down 2.44. Fantastic, Alex. Well done. That's cool. Go and check out his website. Looks really cool, that device. Hey, Alex, you know what you need to do, right? You need to send one to me. You need to send one to me so I can run it in the studio and everyone can see it. I'm just saying. And if we have anybody that is a beer, a brewery that wants to sponsor me, send me some beer and I'll sit here and drink it during the show. That would be quite cool, though. I wouldn't mind one of those. Anyway. Cheers. Thanks for the free commercial. You're very welcome. Bitcoin is up 0.98. So now the overall portfolio is down 0.8. We're over 38,000 again today, though. So I'm really happy about that because we were down here at 36. And just psychologically, it's nice to be up today a little bit. Makes me feel good. Did I just see Sam Laidler come into the show? I thought I did. Sam Laidler, how are you, Sam? Sam, a new feature we have for silver members, and I see you're a silver member, is if you have a YouTube channel, it can be on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I don't do it automatically. You have to request it. But I put it on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and I also drop your link into the live chat. As a silver member, you get that. See these other members here? They are promoted on the homepage, and they get subscribers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want it on the homepage, silver member or upwards, and there we go. You have to request it. I don't just do it for you. You have to ask me, all right? Let's get back to the trades right now. We're coming to the end of today's show, and I've got to get off. I've got a conversation with Restream, who want to sponsor the channel and do other great stuff with me. So I'm excited about that. We're talking to Restream this afternoon via a Zoom call into Vienna. They're one of their offices in Vienna in Europe. So my favourite city in all the world. So I'm excited about that. Lucid is down 3.44. Hood is just holding just below 0 points, down 0.72. Palatine, lovely to have you back, by the way, Alex. Don't forget, anyone here, if it's your birthday, as a silver members, you get a free concert. Now, we decided, is Bill still here? Bill wanted a fundraiser, and we all said yesterday it'd be a cool thing. Bill is a silver member, so he gets a free 20-minute concert once a year, and he decided to do a fundraiser, and many of you said, yes, it'd be great. We will donate to his cause for tips for requests, and 100% of the money will go directly to Bill. So we can do that. I was going to ask, would you like to do it on next Friday? Not this Friday coming, but next Friday. The following Friday. Not this Friday coming, the following Friday after the closing bell. If you would, and everyone likes that idea and everyone's up for that, let's have that conversation. And we'll do a fundraiser concert when you can donate for tips, for songs, for Bill. Right, it's down 1.63. Coca-Cola is down 1.35. Ethereum is now pushing up 0.92. I might have to get one of those free trading accounts and lose some imaginary money for now. I might have to get one of those free trading accounts and lose some imaginary money for now. Yes, well, Alex, I have several portfolios and brokerages I use. Here's the invitation to join. If you use my referral, there it is in the chat. Sorry, that was the wrong one. That was the invitation to join. Beg your pardon. Hang on. Here's the all links button. Let me do that again. If you use my referral, there's a couple of accounts you can use here. There's COINBASE. You can get some free crypto. I think you can get $10 a Bitcoin. There's eTORO you can use and get some money. So use my all links button. Set up an account. Doesn't cost you any money. Just put some money in it. You've got to fund it, but remember, you can always draw it back out again. You're not investing in it. You're just funding in it. You're putting money in your buying power. You can paper trade and practice and trade and stuff like that. But the point is, you'll get some free stocks, and I will be able to help and support you as well. So there you go. All right. We're gonna wrap up today's show, folks. Thanks for all being here today. I just need to do a run a quick commercial. I'll be back in 10 seconds, and then we'll do our final thoughts for the day and plan what we're doing this afternoon. So here we go. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. All right, we're going to end today's show. We've got a busy day today. I've got lots of videos to make, and I'm going to sort out the 24-hour feed for Alex being our first sponsor. We can have more sponsors. Right now, Alex is getting all the time. His actual membership to be a sponsor doesn't give him the space 24/7. It's to rotate. But right now, he's the only one. So he gets it 24/7. It'll be his banner. As we get a few more, there'll be a limit. So it keeps you up there a lot and gives value for money. But right now he's the only sponsor. We can have more, and then of course you can then have your commercial played as well in the live show. But for now, I'm going to get off and work on Alex's commercial for him to put on his on the 24-hour feed. I hope all of you will pop in there, support him, say hello, check out his links, because his links will be below will be below the video. He can obviously drop it in as a member into the live chat. Remember, Alex, you need to use your membership account. What I would suggest you do is, if you wanted to, on this account, just be a bronze member or something like that, just so this account is live. Or you can change it over, whatever you like, whatever's best for you. Okay. I'm going to wind up today's show. Thanks ever so much, everyone, for being here. It's gone a bit quiet now, so we're going to get off. Coles, as predicted, is pushing back up again now. In fact, all the stocks are starting to rise again now for their second time of the day. Virgin Galactic looks like it's consolidating, starting to push up. Gores Guggenheim is waiting to drop to 10. Ciao, everybody. Murray McKines is just saying goodbye. All right, that's it from me today. I'll see you back for the closing bell. I will be online very, very shortly with the 24-hour feed. As soon as I can drop, excuse me, as soon as I can drop Alex in there, I will do that, and then that will run 24/7. All right, great stuff. Take care of yourselves. See you back later for the closing bell. Take care of yourselves and each other.